What if a single workout could optimize your metabolism, rewire your brain, strengthen your heart, and lower stress hormones at the same time? That's exactly what boxing does to the human body. Today, we're breaking down boxing through the lens of exercise physiology, neuroscience, and biohacking, so you understand why this training style is one of the most powerful full-body upgrades you can make. Boxing uniquely activates both aerobic and anaerobic energy systems. Fast punches rely on the ATP, PC, and glycolytic systems. Continuous movement engages oxidative metabolism. This metabolic flexibility trains your body to switch efficiently between fuel sources, a key biohacking goal for improved endurance, fat loss, and performance. Boxing places controlled stress on the cardiovascular system, forcing adaptation. Over time, stroke volume increases, capillary density improves, oxygen delivery becomes more efficient. This leads to higher VO2 max, which is one of the strongest predictors of longevity and cardiovascular health. Boxing is not just calorie burning, it's hormone-driven fat loss. High-intensity intervals elevate growth hormone, epinephrine, and norepinephrine, insulin sensitivity. This hormonal environment promotes fat oxidation while preserving lean muscle mass, a classic biohacking win. Every punch requires coordination between the brain, spinal cord, and muscles. Boxing enhances motor unit recruitment, neural firing speed, proprioception, and reaction time. This improves neuromuscular efficiency, meaning your body produces more force with less energy waste. Unlike isolated gym exercises, boxing trains the body as an integrated system. Rotational punches activate transverse abdominis, obliques, thoracolumbar fascia. This strengthens the kinetic chain, improves posture, and protects the spine. Controlled impact and repetitive loading stimulate osteoblast activity, bone formation, tendon stiffness, joint stabilization. When performed with proper technique, boxing supports long-term joint resilience, not degeneration. High-intensity training stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, the creation of new mitochondria. More mitochondria means better energy production, improved glucose utilization, faster recovery. This is a core biohacking mechanism for metabolic health and anti-aging. Boxing is a powerful regulator of brain chemistry. It increases endorphins, pain modulation, dopamine, motivation and focus, serotonin, mood stability. At the same time, it lowers chronic cortisol levels, helping the nervous system shift out of fight or flight mode. Regular boxing sessions improve sleep latency, deep sleep duration, circadian rhythm stability. This happens because physical stress increases adenosine buildup, signaling the brain that it's time to recover. Better sleep equals better hormones, better fat loss, and better cognition. From a neuroscience perspective, boxing trains stress inoculation. You repeatedly expose your body to controlled stress, teaching the nervous system to stay calm under pressure. This creates higher self-efficacy, improved emotional regulation, greater mental resilience. You don't need head trauma to gain benefits. Smart optimization includes non-contact bag work, short high-intensity rounds, adequate recovery and hydration. The goal is adaptation, not damage. Boxing is not just a workout, it's a biological upgrade system. It enhances cardiovascular efficiency, metabolic flexibility, neurological performance, hormonal balance. You don't need to be a fighter. You just need consistency and intelligent training.